I came to this practice for routine dental care, and I also have a crown on one of my front teeth, so we needed to check to see how the health of that tooth was. The staff and the team here are absolutely hospitable and so welcoming. Quite frankly, it feels like a family environment, which is why I continue to keep coming. I love everyone here. They're so genuine and warm. Quite frankly, I think that's hard to come by. You know, they really are able to share with you what is going to happen, what you're going to experience. If you do have a particular procedure done, they are all there to assist you in any way. They call you after to see how you're feeling. You know, I don't think that's normal quite. I just don't in this day and age. Everyone's kind of in and out. Everyone here is absolutely kind, caring, extremely knowledgeable. They're using state-of-the-art techniques and procedures, and they want you to feel confident. They want you to feel empowered. They want you to smile. That's the whole point, you know, and I think that is critical, absolutely critical. By having the team be further educated on the current dental practices, it just saves so much time. And as a patient, you really want to be somewhere where they are doing these types of techniques and procedures, because they can collaborate and look at the individual as a whole team to see what really needs to happen for a particular, procedure. They can really talk with one another and see if the plan that they are putting forth is the right plan for that particular patient. So I'm really thrilled that they have that here at this particular practice, because a lot of dental practices don't offer that, and that can be frustrating for a patient. You have to feel comfortable. I think that's really, as a patient, when you're looking for a new dentist or doctor, you really have to feel comfortable at the end of the day that where you're going, they know and they're taking care of you, that this is the right place to be. And I found that here. And I am so thrilled and so lucky, because I absolutely love this practice and I love the staff and my family. We all go here, so I really highly recommend coming to see Dr. Shoflick and his team.